Inside Lucid Motors' $700 million factory. Tesla has been a leading company in manufacturing electric cars for a long time, but Lucid Motors, based in California, is projected to become a global superstar in the automotive industry in the future, joining Tesla at the top of the electric vehicle industry. Tesla, on the other hand, has been selling cars since 2003, while Lucid has been stalling for 14 years, dabbling in other markets and waiting for the right moment to hit. Let me tell you that Lucid Motors was established in 2007, and the company plans to generate up to 400,000 electric cars per year in its factory. Hi guys, you are watching Technology Fit, and in today's video, we are taking you inside Lucid Motors' $700 million factory. Lucid Motors has completed the first phase of its $700 million factory, a requirement for the company to start producing the first luxury all-electric Air sedan this spring. The factory, which is located off Interstate 10 about halfway between Tucson and Phoenix, has a production capacity of 30,000 vehicles per year. If Lucid, led by CEO Peter Rawlinson, is successful in attracting customers, the factory will be expanded from 999,000 square feet to over 5 million square feet. The factory will be able to produce 400,000 vehicles a year until it is fully operational. Lucid, formerly known as Ativa, was established in 2007 to produce electric vehicle batteries and powertrains for other automakers. Peter Rawlinson, the former vice president of engineering at Tesla, and Derek Jenkins, the former head of design at Mazda North America operations, were among Lucid's 500 employees as of 2016. Sing Capital, Mitsui, Venrock, Jafco, and others have invested in the firm, providing an estimated $131 million by 2016. Venrock, Mitsui, and Jafco are among the company's existing investors. In October 2016, the company changed its name to Lucid Motors and announced its intention to build an all-electric, high-performance luxury vehicle. Lucid announced the proposed construction of a $700 million manufacturing plant in Casa Grande, Arizona on November 29, 2016, and by the mid-2020s, it was expected to hire up to 2,000 people, initially producing 20,000 cars per year, before rising to 130,000. The factory was to be built with a maximum capacity of 380,000 cars per year in mind. The company had expected to break ground in 2017 and have cars in production by early 2019. As of November 2016, the company had planned to break ground in 2017. Lucid Motors revealed on September 17, 2018, that they were in negotiations with the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund for funding of more than $1 billion. Then, in April of the year 2019, the investment was completed. The funds will then be used to complete the Lucid Air model's engineering and research. Lucid's first phase manufacturing plant is in Casa Grande in Arizona, when the commercial development of the Lucid Air takes place. The first phase of the plant's construction began in late 2019 and was finished in December 2020. The second phase of construction is currently underway, which will boost annual production capacity from 34,000 to 90,000 vehicles. Here, it is worth mentioning that the factory will be completed in 4 phases, and after the factory is completed, it will have a combined manufacturing capacity of about 400,000 cars per year. Lucid Motors proposed an $11.75 billion merger with Churchill Capital Corp. IV, a publicly traded special purpose acquisition firm, in February 2021. CEO of this company, Rawlinson, stated that the company plans to produce its Project Gravity SUV by 2023, and then sell a rival to Tesla's Model 3 by 2024 or 2025. Back in December of 2016, a prototype of the Lucid Air fully electric car was unveiled. Lucid Air is scheduled to begin production in the spring of 2021. The Lucid Air Pure was announced in November 2020, with a range of 406 miles, or 653 kilometers, 480 horsepower, 360 kilowatts, and a starting price of $69,900. The Lucid Air Touring, Grand Touring, and Dream Edition models are all available. On August 11, 2020, it was revealed that the car would have a range of 517 miles, or 832 kilometers, on a single charge, according to the EPA. Lucid has decided to use Mobileye's IQ4 chips and 8 cameras for driver assistance functions, and the car will be autonomous ready. This four-door sedan has a top speed of 217 miles per hour, or 349 kilometers per hour, which is software limited. A special version of the car, with the speed limiter disabled through software and other modifications, reached 235 miles per hour, or 378 kilometers per hour, on the high-speed track at the Transportation Research Center in Ohio in July 2017. Lucid is working with Amazon to integrate Alexa voice assistant compatibility. This is for allowing drivers to use the voice assistant when driving for navigation, phone calls, media streaming, and smart home access. The all-electric luxury Air sedan, which was to be unveiled in September 2020, has a range of up to 517 miles, depending on the model, as well as a style that prioritizes technology and understated luxury. 2 of the 4 models, the $169,000 Dream version and a $139,000 Grand Touring model, will be the first to be produced at the company's new factory this year. The first deliveries of these models are expected in spring 2021. 2 more models, a Touring model priced at $95,000 and a base model priced just under $80,000, is set to arrive at the end of 2021 and early 2022 respectively. The Air is designed to be an electric alternative to the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This means that performance is just as important as design. It also has some impressive performance specifications. The Dream Edition has 1,080 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. The Dream version has a range of 465 miles as a result of the strength. The Grand Touring, on the other hand, has 800 horsepower and can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds, but it has the longest range of 517 miles. The Lucid Air will have a 900V Plus electrical architecture and custom lithium-ion battery cells when it debuts. For its lithium-ion battery cells, Lucid's car uses the 2170 model, and supply agreements have been signed with both Samsung SDI and LG Chem. In partnership with McLaren Applied Technologies and Sony, Lucid designed, produced, manufactured, and supplied battery packs for all race teams in the 2018-19 Formula E season, and will do so again in the 2019-20 season. The Formula E specification calls for a 250 kilogram or 550 pound battery with 54 kilowatt hours of energy and up to 250 kilowatts of peak output. From the charging point of view, Lucid Motors has teamed up with Electrify America to use their national charging network to refuel Lucid's electric vehicles while on the road. Using the station's 350 kilowatt charging capability, the Lucid Air will be able to add 300 miles in as little as 20 minutes. The Lucid Air is expected to be generated at the $700 million facilities by spring 2021. The first phase would cover 999,000 square feet, but Lucid plans to extend the space to 5.1 million square feet by 2028. The second phase of construction is scheduled to begin in early 2021. By 2023, Lucid hopes to start manufacturing their SUV, currently known as Project Gravity, at the same facility. The property on which this facility will be constructed is not Lucid's, but Pinal County's, which will lease the 500-acre plot to Lucid. In the future, Pinal County intends to hand over control of the property to Lucid. That's all for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Moreover, you can also suggest to us the topics that you think we should cover in our upcoming videos. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, subscribe to it and press that notification bell so you receive a notification each time we upload an interesting video on this channel. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Take care and stay tuned.